Imagine the world blurring past you, wind slicing across your shoulders, engine roaring like a beast set free. This isn't just about motorcycles. This is about freedom, power, and the lifestyle that turns every day into an adventure. Today, we take on the ultimate road test. 4 machines, 1 road, and a question that keeps you up at night: which bike belongs in your garage? BMW, Ducati, Kawasaki, and a surprise that might just steal the show. Each one represents more than performance, they reflect a state of mind, a way of living. And by the end of this ride, you'll know exactly which one matches the fire in your soul. The call to ride. 1. BMW S1000RR. First up, the German Predator, the BMW S1000RR. Born on the racetrack and refined for real-world domination, this bike isn't just engineered, it's weaponized. 205 horsepower of razor precision, built with tech so advanced, it feels like riding a piece of the future. Everything about the S1000RR screams control, dynamic traction, intuitive handling, and that unmistakable howl when you unleash it on the open road. But numbers alone can't capture what this bike does to you. It's the way it carves through corners like a scalpel, the feeling of slicing through time itself. If success had a sound, this would be it. The thrill and the test. 2. Ducati Panigale V4. But what if precision isn't enough? What if you crave something more soulful? Enter the Ducati Panigale V4, an Italian masterpiece carved from legacy, performance, and passion. From its blood-red curves to its desmodromic heartbeat, the Panigale isn't just a motorcycle. It's art in motion. 214 horsepower of pure emotion, wrapped in aerodynamic aggression. But more than that, it stirs you. It connects on a level the others can't. It doesn't just respond to your throttle, it dances with you, challenges you, seduces you. The BMW may be smarter, but the Ducati? The Ducati is alive. And when you ride it, so are you. 3. Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. For those who laugh in the face of rules, there's only one answer: the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10R. Brutal, relentless, unapologetic. This bike is less about finesse and more about fury. It's not here to impress, it's here to dominate. Born in the crucible of World Superbike Championships, the Ninja delivers a raw, unfiltered experience that punches you in the chest with every twist of the throttle. It demands respect. And in return, it offers pure, uncut performance. The rider who chooses this bike doesn't ask for permission. They take what they want on their terms. This isn't a ride. It's a rebellion on 2 wheels. The surprise, the choice, the legend. 4. Yamaha R1M. But then, there's the one no one saw coming. The Yamaha R1M. A silent killer. Understated elegance wrapped around cutting-edge technology. Carbon fiber fairings. Semi-active Öhlins suspension. Titanium internals. It doesn't boast. It doesn't brag. It just delivers every single time. Riding the R1M feels like flying a fighter jet in a tuxedo. Every movement is fluid. Every response, instant. But more than that, it's the feeling of harmony. The kind that only comes when man and machine become one. This is the bike for the rider who doesn't need to prove anything. They already know who they are. And they ride for the pure, unshakable love of the journey. 5. The verdict: which bike defines you? So now you've seen them. 4 machines. 4 mentalities. The BMW S1000RR refined domination for the executive who demands more. The Ducati Panigale emotional brilliance for the romantic who rides with fire. The Kawasaki Ninja savage intensity for the warrior who thrives on chaos. And the Yamaha R1M quiet power for the artist who finds beauty in precision. But here's the truth: choosing a motorcycle isn't just about performance or price tags. It's about identity. It's about the story you want to tell the world when you roll up, helmet off, heart racing. Because this is a lifestyle. And your bike? It's your signature. One more ride. But what if the ultimate ride is still waiting? A motorcycle built not just to perform, but to revolutionize everything we know. A new machine, one we've kept in the shadows. Sleeker. Smarter. More powerful than anything on this list. In our next video, we'll reveal what might just be the future of motorcycling. The one ride to rule them all. You don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button. Because the journey? It's just getting started. Until then, ride with purpose. Live with power. And remember, legends aren't born. They're built, one road at a time. In our next video, we unveil the future. A motorcycle so advanced, it might just rewrite what we know about power, style, and freedom. You won't want to miss this. Until then, ride with purpose. Live with power. And remember, legends aren't born. They're built, one road at a time.